Let's make some fried rice. We're going to turn the heat up high on this. What I've done is I've taken a green onion and I've sliced it up. I've got a couple of eggs here that I've whisked together. I'm going to add a little salt to that. This is actually one of the easiest things you'll ever make. But what we're going to be adding to this, also you can add fresh garlic if you want, but I'm going to be using a little bit of garlic powder. If you want to use onion powder, you can too, but I'm going to try to keep this as basic as I can get it. As soon as I know that this is hot, I can kind of feel it. Peanut oil, okay? That seems like a lot, and it is. I'm going to spread it around the wok. We're going to pour the egg in here, and then we're going to stir that up. Okay, that's almost where I want it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to throw peas and carrots in here. Now these are frozen peas and carrots and they're still a little cold, so that's why I'm putting them in here now and letting these kind of cook a little extra. Within this right now, I'm going to also end up putting my green onion, a little salt. We're actually going to probably add a little bit more salt a little bit later on after we add the rice. If you want to add black pepper to this right now, you can. Okay, fresh ground black pepper, we're going to put a little bit here. Add a little bit of sugar to that. And this is rice that was made in the rice cooker yesterday. Day-old rice is actually the best rice to use when you're making fried rice. A little bit of salt. If you want to add more black pepper, go for it. Something like this, probably going to put about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Garlic salt, sesame oil, and sesame oil a little bit goes a long way, so kind of take it easy with that. Give it another stir. And you may like more soy sauce in yours. That's completely up to you. Give it a taste before we call it good. That's good.